हेलो गाइस। मैं यशपाल सिंह राठौड़। आज जिस टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ वो एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग पे है, और वो है टॉपिक ऑफ जॉर्ज फ्लॉयड, जिसके बारे में आपने सुना होगा, जिसका मैं अभी एक वीडियो भी साथ में अपलोड करूँगा यहाँ ऊपर। तो आपको शॉर्ट में बता दूँ जॉर्ज फ्लॉयड का सीन, जिनको नहीं पता है। जॉर्ज फ्लॉयड एक प्रिजनर था जिसको जो मिनीपोलिस स्टेट यूएसए में कुछ दिन पहले पुलिस द्वारा अरेस्ट कर लिया गया था। और चार पुलिस ऑफिसर्स थे जिन्होंने उसे उसकी कार से बाहर निकाला जहाँ वो पकड़ा गया था। निकाल के उसके ऊपर उसको कार से बाहर निकाला, उसके पीछे उसके हाथ को उसके पीछे हथकड़ियों से बांधा। एंड देन आफ्टर दैट, इंग्लिश में बोलता हूँ थोड़ा क्या पता मेरे जो विजिटर्स हैं ना, वो मेरे जो चैनल के ऑडियंस है वो इंग्लिश वर्ल्ड वाइड है, इसलिए इंग्लिश एक वर्ल्ड वाइड लैंग्वेज है, इसलिए मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूँगा, हर कोई समझ सके। तो what happened is, these people, so this George Floyd, this guy, he was caught by the police officers, and then as soon as they got him out of his car, they just pulled him out, and one of the officers tied उसको क्या बोलते हैं, हथकड़ी, handcuff handcuff behind his back, handcuffed him, and then put him on the ground, put his knee the officer put his knee behind George Floyd's neck, as you can see in the video. And then for 15 minutes, I guess, 15 minutes or maybe for a long time, George Floyd was saying, I can't breathe. Please let me breathe. Please, please let me breathe. I can't breathe. These officers will kill me. Police is gonna kill me and stuff. That's what he was saying. There were people around who were looking at all this happening. They came over and they told the police officers, please don't do that. He is out of breath. Leave him. But still the police officers stayed there, and then eventually George Floyd passed out, and they tried to see if he was still breathing, and then they found that he was dead. When this happened, within 24 hours or less, the Minneapolis state or the whole government or the whole world is just like, we want justice, we want justice, no peace, everyone is crazy. And this is really, I also believe that this is something really, really unfortunate that has happened. Everyone condemns it, I condemn it myself. This has happened. It's a really sad thing that has happened. Everyone, we really like to believe that each and everyone is equal, and it is really, really, really good to see that all the white people are protesting against this thing happening, all the black people are protesting against this thing happening. Everyone has come together and they want justice. They want, even the Dwayne the Rock Johnson has posted his video, his pictures. Gianluca Vacci has posted. Most of the celebrities have posted worldwide. So everyone has come together for this cause. But if you look a little bit closer, you will also find that some people are using this as a cause to cause rubbish, to cause bad thing, to cause protest, which I'm gonna to destruct public property, to destruct the police vans, to destruct malls, and to loot from the malls, to kill, to beat, not to kill but to beat down police officers or other people, to throw bottles, to throw some I don't know what it was. This guy, he was throwing something that caused a lot of smoke and stuff. I don't know what it was, but the protesters were doing this. So I want to ask this thing to the protesters, to the people who are protesting, that gentlemen, I know you all are protesting, but there is a way to protest. And will you please tell me one thing, that if you all are protesting against something that the government, that you all think and everyone believes that the police officers did something wrong by killing this person, I should not say killing, yeah, or maybe I can. Uh, what these police officers, so what someone says, killed him, what some people might say killed him. So what, whatever we think, like these people, the police officers did wrong by killing, or maybe by putting a knee on George Floyd's neck, this was wrong. That's what we believe. But do you all believe, but do you all really believe that what you all are doing by throwing all these things, and then by destroying public property, or by destroying the police vans and all, do you all think you are not doing the same thing that the police did? You don't think you are causing problems, not problems, but uh, inconvenience, or maybe destruction is the right word. You all are causing destruction, which you all are protesting against. So why not just look at yourself first, and then if you think, you know, protest comes from two things. One is out of love and one is out of hate. You say, how can a protest come out of love? A protest out of love comes from sorrow, comes from grief, comes from understanding the pain of the other person. It comes as an anger against what has happened. But it involves not doing the same thing that we are condemning. As Mohandas Gandhi said, be the change you want to see in this world. So if you all are against, if, please excuse me, this is my first video that I'm uploading on YouTube. So please excuse me in the way I speak, in the way things, I'm not able to convey myself in a really understandable manner for the first time. Eventually things will happen, I know. But then, if you all are against this, then I think you should not indulge in this and be the change that you all want to see. If you want to see peace, be peace. That's what I believe. Yes, you have all the right to be angry, but doing destruction for your benefit. And this video that I'm gonna show you, people are looting the supermarkets, taking a big trunk of people are like running like funny. People are running outside the shop, getting into the shopping mall empty handed, and coming with both their hands full of all the material from the supermarket, like, wow, this is such a good party. That's not that, man. And they are happy, they are running, they are wild. It's loot. It's real loot, man. Just on the name of a protest. And this should not be accepted. by the police or by the local government. Thank you, and looking forward to see you all again. If you believe in me, please let me know. That will boost up my confidence. Let's go.